Well, I guess we don't have anything to do now.
We need help. You remember?
Alright.
I will call the emergency management agency. Crap. I'm not getting a signal. Looks like the hurricane destroyed the cell phone towers.
Well, I guess we should look for help in person then.
I see one. Oh my. What happened to you? I got struck by the hurricane. I got lost too. Oh, well that sucks. Even we can't get help sadly.
Guys, we shouldn't give up on finding help. There isn't much time to talk.
Alright. Let's go. Is it over yet? Yes it is. And don't even think about trying to escape. Oh shut up. Wait. How is it going with your don't you dare? Collect your rings. Ha 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 ha. Shut up you freaking idiot. I wonder where that big trash compactor is so I can get revenge on him.
Well, that will not happen. The door of the police department is blocked with so much debris.
Darn it.
Hey Thunder Baby.
What the do you want?
You.
No. Go away.
Never. I'm never gonna give you up.
Did you just rickroll me?
Probably.
Leave him alone, for once. Yeah. You shouldn't even be here.
Listen you idiot. Thunderbolt is mine. You should get the heck out of my way now. You understand?
Jeez. Calm down.
Don't tell me to become Bullhorn.
So that's how you challenge me, huh? I am just his friend. And we are both straight. Chill out.
No. I'm gonna marry him one day.
You will deeply regret that. 1003.
Right, you will regret it.
Shut up.
Time to do something I should have done a long time ago.
Nice.
Yes. Now we should leave this place, before the buildings collapse. And before 1003 regenerates. Well, it's time to find more survivors.
Okay. Wait, I see some officers right there. Hey officer.
Hey there. Who are you?
I'm Modulator. I'm Storm Watcher.
I am Thunderbolt. Nice to meet you. I'm 1000.
I am a yellow STH-10.
I am a green vortex. I am a blue vortex. Nice to meet you guys too. Oh hey. Hi Eclipse. How are you guys? That storm was devastating.
I know right.
Well, we are looking for help. By the way, do you know a siren that could lead us to a safe place? Sorry, but the airport is closed. And everyone here evacuated. We are just looking for survivors or sirens that were brutally murdered by the hurricane. Darn it. I guess we don't have anything to do right now.
I guess we are trapped. Guys, think positive.
Agreed. We should think of something. There should be a solution for this. I think there is a time machine over there. We should go to 2018 so the city should be repaired. And then go to South Carolina. How come the officers never saw the time machine? I don't know. Well, here we go. How do we use this thing?
There is a computer over there that says output.
How about I put output is greater than 2018?
Let's try it.
Well, here goes nothing. Well, it looks like we are here.
We are safe now. Hey. Wait. Wait a freaking second. I am detecting another hurricane.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. It's named Florence.